Very good morning, all the students of 6th standard, and we are learning fourth lesson of our civics, that is the urban local government bodies. This lesson we are learning. In a previous video, we have seen the facilities which are available into the urban areas. Along with the facilities of urban areas, the problem into the cities also we have seen in a previous video. Today in this present video, or in today's video, we shall study about the Nagar Panchayat informations also we have seen. See, what is Nagar Panchayat? The area which is neither rural nor urban, that area is also called as Nagar Panchayat, or town like area is there. Elected bodies or the members of the Nagar Panchayat, they elect or they choose the president and the vice president among themselves as to look after the administration of the Nagar Panchayat. Elections of the Nagar Panchayats are held after every 5 years. This one we have studied in a previous video. So now we will see the next one on the page number 71 only. The last one block is there. In the box some information is there. All the local government bodies have to carry out some essential functions. What are the local government bodies are there? They have to carry some of the essential functions. Essential functions, that is we can call as important functions. So all local government bodies has to be carry out some of the important functions or the essential functions. What according to you? Now the next what is there? What according to you the essential functions are there? So what according to you are the essential functions of a Nagar Panchayat? That you have to be right. Next one on the page number 72, point number 4.2, the municipal council. What is the second one point? The municipal council is the second one point on the page number 72, point number 4.2. Why the 4.2? Because we are learning the fourth lesson. Municipal council. The municipal council is the local government body for the small cities. Local government body. It is a one municipal council is a local government body. For which city? For the cities, those who are the small cities, for them municipal council is there. It is local government body. Especially this government body look after the administration or the work of the small cities. So it's look after the administration or affair of the local government bodies for the small city here. Elections to the councils are held every 5 years, and the municipal councils elections also held after every 5 years. We have seen what are the local government bodies are there in our country. Most of the local government bodies elections held after every 5 year continuously. So the municipal councils elections also held every 5 years. We have to fix in our mind whenever the elections are there. Municipal council, Nagar Panchayat, municipal corporation, Gram Panchayat, Maharashtra state government, Jilla Parishad, or even the central governments, elections held after every 5 years. So the elections of the municipal councils also held after every 5 years. The elected representatives functions as the councillor. Elected representative, those who are the elected member of the municipal council, they work as a councillor or they functions as a councillor. For example, the elected persons of the Gram Panchayats are called as a member of a Gram Panchayat. Now the elected persons of the Nagar Panchayats, they are called as a member of the Nagar Panchayat, or also we can call them as a ward member. Next, the municipal councils, to them we can call as a councillor. As per the recent changes in the act relating to the municipal council, now recent act was there into the municipal council, some of the changes are there into the municipal councils act there. So as per the recent changes into the act of relating to the municipal council, the president is elected directly by the people. Now the changes are there into the municipal council, and the president of the municipal council is directly elected by the people. Before some years ago, what was the condition there? Elected members, they choose among themselves two members as the president and the vice president, or the councillors, municipal councils. Councillor, they choose member, president and the vice president. But now in present time the changes are there, and the president and the vice president of the municipal councils directly chosen by the people during the time of elections only. The next one here now. So the relating the Municipal Council Act, the president is elected directly by the people. There is a provisions to hold the elections of the president simultaneously with the general elections of the council. So there is the procedures, or there is a provisions. There is a provision means there is a rules. Provision means what? Rule. All the information is there. There is some laws or the rules are there. What kind of provision or the rule is there? To hold the elections of the president, to hold the elections, to conduct the election simultaneously with the general election of the council. When the general election of the council is going on, at the same time only the election of the president is also held. Means people has to give two votes. One is for their ward member and one is for the president of their council. Next one paragraph. The president of the municipal council is the chairman of all its meeting there. So the one who is the president of the municipal council, that president is the chairman of all the meeting. What are the meetings they preside in their region areas, look after the administration. President, he is the chairman of all the meeting. He presides all the meetings. President, he is the chairperson, head person of all the meetings. He controls the working of the council. He controls the working of the council means those who are the councillors are there, elected members are there. He control on them. He look after their administration. He look after their works, their functions. So he controls the working of the council and keeps a watch on the financial administrations of the council, and keep a watch on the financial administration. How the administration is going on, how the financial condition is going on, how the interaction is going on, development is going on, expenditures, how many rupees or the money they are spending, how many money they are earning, receiving in the form of taxes. On all that, president, he keep a watch on it. Watch means he will not see, means he will look after that, and he will ask them to be record all the records of collecting money and spending money, that record document everything. For example, sometime if a father has given some amount of money to mother, and mother went to shopping, so evening time when they will return, then father will ask, okay, I have given to you, for example, I have given to you 5,000, give me distribute total evaluation where you have spent money. Then mother will tell, I have spent 500 rupees for here, 1,000 rupees for here, again I have brought this one of this amount, then total this much rupees I spent, remaining amount I have near. They will tell or not detailed information. So like same way, president will keep watch on the money there. So the financial administration of the council in the absence of the president, if the president is absent, the vice president look after the work of the council. Vice president, he will look after the works if the president is absent. Okay. So what is here? In the absence of the president, vice president will look after the administration. President is absent, then vice president will look after that. Obviously, one who is absent, then after the second one who is there in the administration, there they will look after that. Principal, vice principal, ministers, chief ministers, home minister. If father went outside, if he went to village for some work, and if he is not coming for 3-4 days, then all the house work administration in whose hand it will be? It will be in the mother's hand. So we have to ask for everything. Mother will look after the work of the houses or home. She will manage. She will decide what to bring from outside, which vegetables, everything. Shopping. Mother will do that in absence of the father. Otherwise, if father is there, mother will tell to father, you are going, evening time while coming, bring these vegetables. These things are finished from home. These things you bring sugars, bring nuts, peanuts, everything. She will tell oil. And if father is not there, then mother will say that he is outside, he is not coming, he went to village, so I have to go to market for bringing such things there. Then we will tell to mother, mother, you are going, I want these biscuits, will you buy for me? Then she will say, I not have that much money. See, if money is remain, then I will bring. Otherwise, ask your father only. Is it there? So this is the, if the president is absent, then vice president will look after the work of a municipal council region or area. Okay, so today we'll stop here. When we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will miss a day after tomorrow. No, means on the Thursday we will see the next one. Okay, bye bye. Stay tuned and happy Republic Day to all of you. Tomorrow is the Republic Day. You can enjoy. Bye bye.